Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Birds. What are the main morphological features of birds? Birds are animals that present aerodynamic bodies covered with feathers, anterior ribs, transformed into wings, pneumatic bones, and horny beaks, or what we call corneous. In which habitat do birds live? Birds are terrestrial animals, but majority of species also explore the aerial environment by flying. What are flight adaptations present by birds? Wings associated to well-developed pectoral musculature, pneumatic bones, less accumulation of feces in the bowels due to the absence of the colon, absence of the bladder, no urine storage, aerodynamic body, and lungs with specialized air sacs are all adaptations which enable birds to fly. What are pneumatic bones? Birds have light-weighted bones with internal spaces filled with air. These bones are called pneumatic bones. This feature reduces the corporal density of the animal, facilitating the flight. How is the respiratory system of birds characterized? Like reptiles and mammals, they make gas exchange through lungs. How is the circulatory system of birds characterized? Birds, like every vertebrates, have a closed circulatory system. The heart is similar to the mammalian heart, having 4 chambers. Those are 2 atria and 2 ventricles, and with no mixture of the venous and arterial blood. In mammals, however, the aorta curves down to the left, and in birds, it curves down to the right. Which is the type of nitrogen waste birds produce? Why does this feature, besides being an adaptation to terrestrial environment, also means adaptation to flight? Birds are uricotelic, that is, like reptiles, they excrete uric acid. This substance needs less water to be eliminated, and so it helps to reduce the body weight, thus aiding in flight. What similarities do birds and reptiles share regarding external coverage, reproduction, and excretion? Regarding external coverage, birds are similar to reptiles as they present impermeable keratinized coverages. Covering or concerning reproduction, both fecundation is internal and the embryo develops within a shelled egg. Regarding excretion, both excrete uric acid. How do birds reproduce? Birds, like every vertebrate, have sexual reproduction. Their embryo develop within shelled eggs containing extraembryonic membranes and outside the mother's body. Birds copulate. Fecundation is internal and it occurs only before the female gamete is involved by the calcareous eggshell. Is the embryonic development in birds direct or indirect? Embryonic development is direct. There is no larval stage. What are the predominating chemical compounds, respectively, in the eggshell, white and yolk? The eggshell is basically made of calcium carbonate. The white or albumin is composed of albumin, a protein. The yolk is predominantly constituted of lipids, but it also contains proteins and vitamins. How different are reptiles and birds concerning maintenance of the body temperature? Are birds rare in polar regions? Reptiles are heterothermic, that is, they do not control their body temperature. Birds, however, are the first homeothermic animals. They are able to maintain their body temperature constant. There are many birds that live in dense cold regions. Penguins are examples of birds that live in the polar region. What are zoonoses? What are some examples of zoonoses transmitted by birds? Zoonoses are human diseases transmitted by animals. Stercosis, a bacterial disease, histoplasmosis, and cryptococcosis, fungal diseases, are examples of zoonoses transmitted by birds. Bird identity card. How are birds characterized according to examples of representing beings? Basic morphology, skin, respiration, circulation, nitrogen waste, thermal control, and types of reproduction. Examples of representing beings: we have chicken, sparrows, parrots, ostrich, penguins, and many others. Basic morphology: their aerodynamic body, they have feathers, pneumatic bones, horny beaks. The skin is impermeable, it is keratinized, feathers, and Purkinje glands. Respiration is pulmonary, circulation closed and complete, heart with 4 chambers, nitrogenous waste, uric acid, thermal control, homeothermic, types of reproduction, sexual, internal fecundation, shelled eggs with extra embryonic membranes. Thank you very much for participating in birds. Please do like, share, and subscribe.